Okay, Assalamu alaikum students. Today I hope you can hear me clearly and you can see the screen as well, like the paper. Okay, hope it's clear. Today we'll be doing questions related to probability. Okay, so the first paper we'll be discussing is 2023. Part 1, Part B, fourth question. Okay, hope you get the paper. Shall I start? You can unmute your mic and also speak. I'm starting. So probability question. Okay, right. This is one of the easiest questions I would say in the oral paper. But most students, the problem is they don't understand theory, so they don't do this question properly. That's the problem. Okay, right. So the first question. In one of two boxes, there are two red bulbs. Okay, two red bulbs. Right. Two red bulbs. Okay. Next one is and three blue bulbs. Okay. Three blue bulbs. Okay. Okay. There is one red bulb and three blue bulbs in the other box. So there are two boxes. Okay. So in the first box, okay, you have this much amount. Okay, two red bulbs and three blue bulbs. In the second box, what you have? In the second box, you have one red bulb and three blue bulbs. Okay, so one red bulb and three, right? Is it? Yes. Three blue bulbs. Okay. That's the second box. Right. So let's read. Okay. All the bulbs are of the same shape and size. A student randomly picks a bulb from the first box and a bulb from the second box. Okay, randomly means you don't know which bulb you'll be picking. Okay. Children, is the screen blurry or something?
A little.
If it's not clear, just let me know, okay? Children, is the screen clear? Can you hear me?
This. Okay. Now I can say.
Okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we continue. Right. Next one. A student randomly picks a bulb from the first box and a bulb from the second box. Okay. So randomly picks mean what? He puts like there's a box and he puts the hand and take one from this and he randomly takes one. He doesn't see the color or anything. He just picks a bulb. Okay. So what's the question they're asking? Let's see. By considering that the red bulbs are denoted by R1, R2, and R3. Okay. So red bulbs, how do they denote? R1, R2, and R3. Okay. R1, R2, and R3. Okay. That is
Excuse
red
me,
bulbs. Yes.
which paper is it again?
2023. Okay. Part
23,
1,
okay.
Part B, fourth question.
Okay.
Red bulbs. Right. So, and the blue bulbs are denoted by B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Okay. B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. For this, it's blue bulbs. Okay. Right. Then, oh, B6 also. They've given one more. Right. I hope all the data is there. Yes. Represent the sample space of the above mentioned random experiment on the given grid using the symbol X. Okay. So now you can see in the paper itself, they have given a what do you call it? Like a graph thing. Okay. So it's like this, no? Dotted lines like this. Okay. Okay, this one. So what else do we have? 1, 2, 3. I think last. Okay, fine. These are the. I think this is actually given in your paper. Okay, and wait. Yeah, they've also denoted everything. They've also written the data. Okay, so they've written as. Okay, so in the first box, you have R1, R2. Okay, B1, B2, B3. Okay, first box. Yes, first box. They've written that. First box. Okay. Right. Second box, what they have given? Second box. They've written this side. Second box. Okay. R3. Okay. B4. Okay. B5, B6. B5, B6. So this is the data. Okay. Right. So they are asking to mark it. So basically, okay, in the first box, you can pick either R1 and R3, right? Like, it's like this, okay? Now, in the first box, you can pick either red, and also you can pick a red from this one, right? Hope it's clear. You can pick a red bulb from the first box, and you can pick a red bulb from the second box. It's possible now. So we mark it here. It can be either R1 or R2. So we mark this both. Okay. Is there any confusion in this, children? He says randomly pick. Okay, randomly pick means like you can go to the first box, pick a red bulb. It can be either R1 or R2, no? And also at the same time, the second box, you can pick a red bulb. Okay, so as there's only one red bulb, so and also we don't know which one we can pick, so it can be either R1 or R2 from the first box, and it will be R3 from the second box because there's only one red bulb. Hope it's clear. I'm not done with the question, but hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. If you have any confusion, you can drop in the chat, or you can also unmute your mic and tell me. So we'll move on, okay? So they can pick a red bulb from the first box and red bulb from the second box. So it can be either R1 or R2 from the first box. And as there's only one red bulb in the second box, we can say that. Okay, so this is what I have marked. So second possibility is picking a red bulb from the first box and picking a blue bulb from the second box. Okay, so red bulb can be either R1 or R2. So, and also blue bulb can be B4, B5 and B6. It can be anything. So then we mark this. Okay. So that's another chance. We can like, what are the bulbs? Now we randomly take the bulbs from the box. So the other chance that we can get is that we can pick any of the three blue bulbs. Okay, from this box and the red bulb. Okay, so we can mark this one. Blue bulb can be either B1, B2 or B3 and red bulb will be R3. So we mark this. Okay. Now, second probability is that picking any of these, okay, three blue bulbs and also picking any of the blue bulbs from the second box. So then we will mark this thing. Okay. Hope it's clear. There's any confusion? Please let me know.
Nothing.
Right.
But how to this one middle
Find
line,
out.
the R1 and R2, how to miss that? I mean, not mark
What do you mean?
the
What do you
center
mean
line.
by that? Yeah.
Getting the R1 and R1, R2 and R2, R3, B1 and B2, B1.
I don't
How
get
that
you,
works?
darling.
I
What
mean,
do you mean? Like how to
the
mark the
center.
sample, you mean?
No. How the question should be to miss that line. I mean, center line. Getting the
That
same.
question, that's the next paper, meaning the 2022 we're discussing now. In that, there's a question related to that. Then you will understand why we miss the middle line. Okay.
Okay.
When we get a question, now the next question is related to that. So then I will clear your doubt. So now do you understand this thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Okay. There's a question related to that. So no problem. I will discuss. Okay. Next question is, encircle on the grid the event of the two bulbs taken from two boxes being the same color. Okay. Now we have to circle the place where from both the boxes it has same color. Meaning if you take a red bulb from here, you should take a red bulb from here as well. Okay, there's only one red bulb. You can take either R1 or R2 from this thing. Okay, from the first box is either R1 or R2. From second box is R3. Okay, so you pick either R1 or R2 from here and R3 because red colors. Okay, the second place where you can obtain same colors is obtaining blue. Okay, B1, B2, B3. Here also B4, B5, B6. Yeah, taking any of these three and these three because both are blue. Okay, now we'll see the place where we can find it. Okay, here see, we can circle this red and red, again red and red. So this both comes. Okay, next one is blue and blue, blue and blue, blue and blue. So we can circle these three because all these three are blue, all these three are blue. Okay, so if I mark it, yes, we'll mark it. So here it's blues, this 3. So then we circle here. And here red and red now. So we circle this whole thing. Okay. Because if we take this both, it's blue and red. So it's not the same color. Blue and red not the same color. Blue and red not the same color. Here see blue and red here also. Blue and red, blue and red. In here, it's blue and red again. Blue and red, blue and red. So it's not possible. But all these things, it's possible to get the same color. Hope it's clear. If you have any doubts, you can unmute and ask me, okay?
I didn't understand the question.
You will answer the question. Okay.
Yeah.
Here see again. N circle on the grid. Okay. N circle means what? You have to circle it. Okay. On the grid. This you call it a grid. Okay. The event of the 2 bulbs taken from 2 boxes. Okay. Now what did you say? We take bulbs randomly. First we take from this box. Then we take it from this box. Okay. So what are you saying? When you are taking the bulbs from each box, it should be the same color. Meaning, if you take a red from this box, you should take a red from this box also. Now, there are 2 red bulbs from this box. So, it can be either R1 and R2. So, here, R1 and R2. This is the thing in the first box here, R1 and R2. Okay. Next thing they are saying is, take a same color. So, only red bulb in the second box is R3. So then we circle here R1, R3, R2, R3. Okay. Similarly, the other case where you can take same color bulbs is in here. So how many blue bulbs are there? There are 3 blue bulbs here. There are 3 blue bulbs here. So what are 3 blue bulbs? You can get it from the first box. It's B1, B2 and B3. And in the second box, it's B4, B5 and B6. So where do you get it? Blue bulbs. Here blue and blue. Blue and blue. Blue and here's a blue. But you can't take here. Here's blue and red. You can't take. They're all similar colors. So that's what they're asking here. First of all, circle it. We're not done with the question yet. But do you understand it
now? I think I did.
No, what is the doubt? Is it the marking or is it how to choose it?
How did you mark those 9 B1 to 3? That one.
Sorry? Wait. Not tell me. Tell me the question.
Why did you leave behind this 2 B2 and B2 B1 and B2 B?
For this one, here is red.
Yeah.
Red and blue is the same color, right? The question says the what is it? The event of the 2 bulbs taken from 2 boxes being the same color. The question says same color. Okay? Is it still confusing?
No.
If you're confused, tell me. Sure? Are you sure that you're not confused? If you have a doubt, I can explain a different way.
Nothing.
Should I explain you again?
Don't need.
Don't need, right? Don't need. Okay, right. 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 We'll count. Now they ask a probability. Okay. Probability means total number. Okay. Total number of probabilities. Okay. Over the number of circle. Now, how many crosses are there here? 5 crosses in this side. 4 crosses in this side. Then total number of crosses are. Or let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, 20, okay? 20 crosses over. How many are circled? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, answer will be 11 over 20. Is there any confusion?
No.
So they are asking is same bulbs, picking same bulbs, what is the probability? So you can circle this. Now see, here you're picking red, here also you're picking red, here you're picking red, here
If
also
they ask
you're
the
picking
probability, we also need to show them by the marking this one.
What do you mean? You're marking
We
this,
also,
they have given the question. In the question, they have an N circle on the grid. The question has given N circle on the grid, the event of the two bulbs taken from the two boxes being of the same color. Same color. They have said same color and find its probability. Okay, you get 1 mark for circling this, 1 mark for the answer. Okay.
Okay.
This is not hard. It's just you all confuse a lot. Okay, that's why I'm trying to explain. If you have confusion, that's why I'm asking you. If you have a confusion, you should ask me, because this question is very easy. You can score easy marks. Are you sure you're clear? What is the confusion? If you have a doubt,
I don't understand. Why did you leave this one R2?
R2 in which one? This one?
Yeah, but drawing. I mean this one, circling.
Circling. Okay, right. Now tell me. Okay, you answer. Okay, right. Is R3 now? You can see it now clearly. Shall I write in dark colors or less? Will we write this in dark colors or less? Okay. Okay, like this I'll write it. Right. Hopefully you can see. Huh? So then, what is this color? R3 means, what is the color?
R3,
yeah, what is the
red.
color? Red. What is this color?
Red.
Red. This color?
Red.
Red. Okay. Now, same color means what? Now, when you're picking a ball from, if you're picking a ball, not ball, it's bulb, right? Sorry. If you're picking a bulb, it should be the same color. Then, red, and here also it's red. Okay, here see, red, red. I'm showing like this, huh? See, red, 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 red. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now tell me, this is red. What is this color?
Red.
No,
Yeah,
B4.
red.
B4 means?
B4? B4 means blue.
Blue. Okay. So is red and blue the same color?
No.
No. Okay. Now, okay, let's go further. This is red. Okay, we confirm it. Okay, red. Now this is?
Blue 2, blue
Blue.
5, I think.
Yeah, blue. Just tell me the color. It's enough. You don't want to say B5 and all. If you know, just tell me the color, we can find out. Right. So is it the same color?
Which two?
Red and blue.
No.
Right. Again, red.
Okay, okay. Now I understand.
Understand, right?
Yeah.
Here also the same thing, right? Here red and this is blue.
Yeah.
You should take this and you have to connect this both to see. Okay? Hopefully it's clear. Now you can answer this, right? Okay. Any other doubts? Hello? Is there any doubts?
No, nothing.
No, right?
No,
okay.
Nothing.
Okay. Third one. It is given that the probability of a bulb taken from the first box. Okay. See? It is given that the probability of a bulb taken from the first box being burnt out is 0.1. Okay. First box. Okay. First box burnt out. How do you write it? You write as I write everything, the whole word, or else you will confuse. First box, burnt out probability is 0.1. Okay, 0.1. And the probability of a bulb taken from the second box being burnt out is 0.2. Okay, first box 0.1, second box.
Why is it 0.1?
The question says.
Oh, okay.
Question says, not me. Okay, question says. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, right. And the probability of a bulb taken from the second box being burnt out is 0.2. Okay, second box burnt out again. Okay. Okay, 0.2. Okay. The student examines the bulb taken from the first box and only, okay, here see, and only if it's burnt out, okay, one, does he examine the bulb taken from the second box. Okay. Now, we have note that, wait, give me some minute, okay. Okay, right. So, what are I saying here? So, if the, yeah, first thing I say is, in the first box being burnt out is 0.1 and the probability, okay, probability is 0.1, and the second box being burnt out is the probability is 0.2. Okay, the student examines the bulb taken from the first box. Only if it's burnt out, only if this bulb is burnt out, he will take a bulb from the second box. Okay. Next thing, extend the, now usually in the questions, now these questions, the reason why I say it's easy is they give you this grade. Okay, they even mark it, okay, for y'all. They mark this for y'all. And also they give you a tree diagram also. You're so lucky enough to get that. Okay. Usually, yeah. So then the tree diagram is also given. So the question is easier. Okay. So yeah. The student examine the bulb, okay, then extend tree diagram given below such that both these events are represented and write the relevant probabilities on its branch. Okay. So, what is the thing they have given information? The information they have given is bulb taken from the first box. I'll write in short form. Your exam paper has been given wrong. Okay, right. So how they have given? They have given something like this. This is called tree diagram. Okay, right. Okay, right. Now see, okay. First box. What are the chances of getting a bulb? One is burnt out bulb. Okay. First type bulb you're going to get is burnt out.
20 over 2. I mean 2 over 20.
And no. 2 over 20 is correct. Okay. But as they're given a probability, you write that. Okay. Your answer is correct. 2 over 20 only. Because at the end it's 0.1 now. But you write it as 0.1. You know the reason? Because the question has given. Okay. The question has given, right, like that. Do you understand? Okay. So first is burnt out. What's the opposite of burnt out? It is not burnt out. Okay, you write like that. Not Burnt out. I think it's given in the paper, right? Okay, right. So, what is the probability of being burnt out? They've given the answer here. I mean, in the question they've given it from the first box. Also, it's 0.1.
Sorry, what happened?
Okay.
The connection was out.
The connection is out. Okay, wait. Let me change my connection.
I don't know. My problem is.
Okay, okay. You can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So then they have given burnt out, not burnt out. Okay. So bulb taken from first box, no. First box, the probability is 0.1 for burnt out.
Yeah.
Okay. They've given in the question this thing. Okay. They've given in the question. Okay.
So we just need to write 0.1. I mean 0.1.
Yes. Exactly. From the first box, no. This is from second box, from first box. So 0.1. Okay.
From all the questions we did, it asked to write this one, fraction.
Some questions they ask fraction, some questions they give the answer.
Okay. This is the first time doing this one.
Yeah, maybe that's it. So then if this is 0.1, you have to remember one thing. In the tree diagram, this both, now we'll write something here also, right? So this both number, when you add up, like when you add them up, it should be equal to 1. Okay, so 0.1, then what should be the answer here? If it's add up to 1?
0.9.
0.9, exactly. Okay, and one more thing I want to say is, when you're writing the answer, please write on top of this. Don't write somewhere here. I've noticed most of the students writing the answer here. I don't know why, but they write it here. Don't write there, please. Okay,
Right.
be careful. Yeah, some they write the answer here. The 0.1 thing they write here.
Okay.
Okay, you have to write on top of the tree. Okay.
We have to write the second this one also, right? Extend it and.
Yeah, we're not done yet. Okay, I'm just saying a warning sign. Okay, right. I'll go to the next one. Okay. So if you read the question again, one more time, I'll read the question because we need it. Okay, right. So remember we said the 0.1, 0.2, no. So here's the next statement they are saying is, the student examines the bulb taken from the first box, and only if it's burnt out, okay, he examines the bulb from the second box. Okay. So if it's not burnt out, will he examine from the second box? Hello?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
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 Okay. Right. Here see, the student examines the bulb taken from the first box, and only if it is burnt out one, does he examine the bulb taken from the second box. Okay. Now if it's burnt out one, he's going to examine from the second box. If it's not burnt out, will he examine from the second box? Then will he take a tree? No. So then should there be a tree here?
But there should be, isn't it?
No, because the question says no, right? This is a different type of question. That's the thing. Okay, if they say something like that, if they say something, if only if it's burnt out, they're going to take a bulb from this. Now, if they don't take a bulb from the second box, can you draw a tree diagram? Can't, no, because they don't take it from the second box. Only if it's taken, only if you take a bulb, you know if it's burnt out or not. Is it confusing?
No, but.
It's a new thing, right?
Yeah, very new.
Yes, new. Yes, I know. It's something new. Okay, but yeah, just remember that. Okay, you don't draw a branch here. Then they will give marks. If you draw a branch, you're gonna get 1 marks. You lose it. Okay, so you draw one only in here, and also they give a topic here. Or the topic they give a topic, that is a bulb taken from the second box. Okay, right. So bulb taken from second box can also be burnt out and not burnt out. Right. What is the probability of burnt out bulb from second box? They're given in the question. 0.2. Right. So we are at 0.2. Then what's the answer here?
0.8.
0.8. Is this clear?
Yeah. But if they ask
Right.
to write in fractions, how it will be?
If they ask to write, they won't ask writing fractions, but
I'm asking, just asking. First one will be 2 over 20 and other one will be
2 over
18 over 20.
Yes. Yes.
Then
Same
next
thing
one will be, is it 4 over 20 or
4 over 20? 4 over 20, what's the answer? 4 is ones and 20 is 5, no? So,
yeah, 1 over 5.
0.2. Oh, yeah, then that will be the answer.
Okay.
Yes. But they won't ask, they won't give like that, I'm sure. Because usually it comes as an easy question. Okay.
It's been until
Right.
2023.
Yeah, new type, right? So can be. But I hope you understand what's going on. If they ask like that, you can do one thing, okay? We know that 0.1 is equal to something over 20 now, because total is 20 now probability. So we can write x over 20 is equal to 0.1. If they ask, I don't think they will. But if they ask, okay, x over 20 is equal to 0.1 and multiply 0.1 multiplied by 20 is equal to 2, right? So we can write 2 over 20. Is it confusing?
No. This one, right?
No, right?
First one, the burnout.
Burnt out.
Okay.
You're asking out of the fraction form. Whatever the fraction we write, the probability will be something over 20 now. Because 20 outcomes, you can say. 20 outcomes. So something over 20. To find the numerator, I'm saying the method. Because anyways, 0.1 is equal to x. X will be the numerator over 20. Because 20 is the probability now.
Yeah.
So then we can multiply that and we can find the numerator. I hope it's not confusing.
No, it's not.
Right? Clear, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Next one. Considering both the above mentioned events, find the probability of an examined bulb not being burned out. 1. Okay. So, not being burned out. Okay. We'll circle. Okay. Now, let's take first bulb is burnt out. Then he will somehow take the second from second box, no? So then we have to circle. Wait, let me add. We'll circle this. Okay, this is there's a not burnt out bulb from here. Hope it's clear. They are saying not burnt out bulb. Okay, getting the not burnt out bulb. And another place where we can get not a burnt out bulb is this one. Okay, so then what we do? We write.
We could edge.
Sorry?
We could add this one 0.1 and 0.8 or just directly 0.9.
No, not add like that. Now let's see. This is a separate tree. This is separate tree, no. Yeah. So what we do is, now there are two different trees, no. Then we multiply 0.1 multiply by 0.8. Two different trees multiply. Okay, plus 0.9. Okay, 0.1 multiplied by 0.8 is equal to 0.08. Okay, plus 0.9. Answer is 0.98. Any confusion?
No, it's not.
Sure, right? When there are two different trees here, this is another tree, this is another tree now. So you multiply this outcomes, and you this one there's nothing here now. So you add that. Okay? That's how you do it. Hope it's clear.
Yeah.
Okay. We move on to the other question. Okay. 2022. Okay, I'm discussing 2022. Right.
Can you give me a minute? I'll quickly go and take the past
Yeah.
paper.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Sure.
A minute. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay. Okay. Right. Let's start. Okay. So the two grade level students A1 and A2. Okay. Grade level. Okay. Grade level students are A1, A2. Right. And three grade 12 students. Okay. Grade 12. Now, as you have the freedom to underline, you better you underline this without right now. You instead of writing another paper, you can underline it directly on the paper. Use a pencil, underline the important points. Okay, because when you go read again, it takes time. No, so better you underline the important statements on the paper with a pencil or with a pen. No, don't do it with pen. Do it with a pencil because this is a paper you're going to submit. No. So do we do the pencil? B1, B2, B3. Okay, right. Belong to a school tennis pool. Okay. For doubles tennis competition to be held on a future date, two students are to be picked randomly one after the other from the above mentioned students. Okay. Right. Now, yes, okay. So these are students. You're going to pick the students and you're going to make a double. Okay. So that they can play as a double. Okay. Right. Now they're saying mark the sample on the grid. Let me draw the grid. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay. Right. So first student is the first pick. Okay. First student. Second student. Okay. So first student is, let us A1, A2, B1, B2, B3. A1, A2, B1, B2, B3. Right. Now we're going to mark. Now let's say first one they pick is A1. Can you pick the second one as A1 after picking one person as a so then we can't mark this grid. Okay. So
This one is easy
this
because
one,
we can use logics on this.
yes, exactly. The early one is also easy. Okay. You have to read it carefully. Right? The question. Hope you understand it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. A1, then you only can pick A2. A1 only you can pick B1. And A1 only you can pick B2. A1 and only you can pick B3. Okay. Similarly, A2 you can pick A1, but A2 you can't pick A2 again. But you can pick B1 and you can pick B2 and B3. Similarly, if it's B1, you only can pick A1, A2. You can't pick B1 again. So B3, B2, B3. B2 only you can pick A1, A2, B1. Can't pick B2 again. So this thing. Similarly here, so B3 only A1, A2, B1, B2. Can't pick B3. This is the doubt you are asking, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Next one. Encircle the event of picking two students from the same grade and find its probability. Same grade means what? Same letters, no? According to this, same grade means same letters. Okay, so A1, A2, this one. Then A2, A1, this thing. So this both comes as an answer for this one. Okay, let's
20 over 2.
Here it will be. Yeah, but before that, we have to encircle. Okay, encircle. Yeah. Right. Encircle. So then here, this thing will come. Hope it's clear. This one won't come because
Which
it is A2 and A1.
Oh, yeah, only that will come, right?
Yeah, so only these things will come here and this both. So we'll circle it.
I think it's confused because B1, B2, 3 are grade 12, right? So the first two only. Okay. Now I understand. No. Yeah. My mistake. Now I understand.
Okay. They're saying the same class, okay?
Okay. Same class. Yeah. I thought it was grade 11 only.
Yes. Okay. Clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Now what is the answer?
28 over 20.
Wait, 8 or 20. We'll see how many. 1, 2, 3, 5. Wait, the answer is yes, 8 or 20. The answer is correct. Because we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. 8 or 20. You can further simplify or you can leave the answer like this. They give marks for both. Okay?
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Right. What's the next question they're asking?
Draw this one.
Yeah, tree diagram. Okay. When the two students who are picked from the same grade, the probability of them winning a competition is 0.7. Okay. When the students who are picked from the same grade, okay, the probability of them winning the competition is 0.7. Okay. Same grade. Is 0.7. Winning, okay? Winning probability. We write as W, no? And when they are from two different grades, the probability of them winning the competition is 0.5. Okay. Different grades. Okay. Winning is 0.5. Okay. Complete the incomplete tree diagram and find the probability of two students who are winning the doubles competition. Okay. We'll first of all complete the tree diagram now. Yes, we'll complete the tree diagram. How is it given? Write it here. This is it. This is peak. They've given the diagram, right? And this is empty in here. Here they've given the answer 3 over 5. And being from the same grade. Okay. I'll write in a short form because the question is already there. No? Is the thing clear or should I Is it clear what I'm writing here?
Yeah.
Different grades, how do you write? Different grades. Right. The next thing is result. Okay. Result will be winning and losing. Next one will be again winning, losing. Okay. This thing is given in the question. Okay. So no problem for us. Right. We only have to feel it. Right. What do you think the answer is in here?
2.5. Sorry, 205.
2/5. Yes, exactly. 2/5. Okay. Now they've given few things, no, some data in the question. So same grade means 0.7. Different grades means 0.5. No. Right. So same grade winning is what?
0.7.
0.7. Then we write 0.7 here. Then what should be the answer here?
Are you sure here also the 0.4 should be here?
Yeah, can write 0.4. Can write 0.4. They haven't said about fraction, no. So write in 0.4. I check the marking scheme. So that says
Yeah.
can write in 0.4. Okay.
Okay.
What do you think the answer is in here?
0.3.
0.3. Right. How about different grades? It's 0.5, no, meaning then what do you write? Here you write 0.5.
0.5.
Again 0.5. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Yes. Compete, okay, and find the probability of the two students who have picked winning the doubles competition. Okay. So winning, not losing. Okay. Here it's winning. So we circle it, the winning thing. So winning is this whole thing. Again, winning is this whole thing. Okay. Right. Now what did I say? When you circle and two different trees, what did I say you should do? What do you think we should do?
We should multiply and this one.
Multiply at the two different ones. Okay, right. 2/5 multiply by 0.7 plus 3/5 multiply by 0.5. Okay, we can multiply this. 7 into 2 is 14. 1.4/5 plus 5 into 3 is 15. 1.5/5. Answer is 2.9, right? Over 5.
Yeah.
Right? 2.9 over 5, no? So we'll convert the decimal into a whole number. Multiply this by 10, this by 10. The answer will be 29/50. Clear or confused?
Clear.
Clear, right? Make it into a whole number. Okay. It's the best. Don't write in decimal. The answer. Is there any confusion of converting this?
No, nothing.
No, right? Do you have any doubts?
No.
No, right? Because we are in the end. Okay. We have finished it. Do you want anything else? Like in this thing? Like is there any confusion or something else like that?
Nothing to me.
Okay. How about others?
Yeah, good man.
Okay, right. there was a request in doing theorems. Okay, so there is right. There are theorems in parallelograms. There are theorems in triangles, right? And also there are circle theorems. So what do you say? I thought of keeping it on Wednesday morning.
Madam,
Morning.
Sorry?
ma'am, shall we do trigonometry questions up in upcoming classes?
Trigonometry meaning the theorems, right?
Yes, cyclic
Yeah.
oscillators, those questions.
Yeah.
Theorems
So
The
do
based
you
final
on, yeah.
part
want
question.
theory only or you want questions also with that?
Yeah,
Both
we
would be
can do.
great.
Sorry?
Yeah, we can do questions and also with the theorems and also.
Theorem. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So the circle related theorems I thought of doing on Thursday. Okay, at night. So should I do everything together, meaning circles and parallelograms, triangles, everything together on Wednesday, or shall I do only the triangles, parallelograms on Wednesday and the circles on Thursday? Which one is better?
Separate in class.
Okay.
It's each one separated.
Separate with questions also, right? Theory and questions.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Any
Thank
other
you.
requests? Is there anything
No, madam.
else I should? No, right?
No, madam. That's all.
Okay. Then we'll stop here for today because we're done. I hope everything is clear in this, and thank you so much for joining. And see you all on Wednesday morning, inshallah. Okay. Assalamu alaikum and have a good night.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Walaikum salam.